I'm getting set up to roll the back of this bezel over, having repaired this tachometer. And the first thing I did was, I made up this little ball bearing tool, and I've zeroed the DRO out against the edge of the bezel and the edge of the bearing. And I came in and measured the depth of the bezel to the flange on the instrument with the preload from the tailstock compressing the seal, and I've measured the thickness of the material in the bezel. So I'm going to come forward to what I think is going to be an appropriate depth, and it's the first time I've done one of these, so we'll have to see how it goes. Lock the carriage. That doesn't move, and I should have this running pretty slow, and we'll just try feeding in and see what happens. Not running quite as true as I'd have liked. It didn't seem to fit the supports. The profile on the bezel is slightly different. At the moment we're just pushing the instrument off centre. We have rolled the bezel a little bit. I think I need to make something that locates the tail end rather more positively. Okay, I went and found a piece of scrap, and there's a register on this side so that this is kept centred, and I turned a 60-degree taper in this end, so the tailstock should hopefully keep that all centred, and the load from the bearing rolling the bezel shouldn't push it off centre with any luck. So let's give this a go. Seems to be a tolerable result, I think. Let's have a look. Yeah, I might want to play around with the angle of the ball race and possibly radius one up a little bit more, but that's got the bezel on there good and tight, so I think we'll call that a successful result.